number 2. Ready na ba yan?
Wala pa!
Tingin daw dito, seryoso.
Nag-lock na yata, I love you. Ayos na?
Namawit na.
Ikaw.
Ayaw, di pa ako sali.
Ayun na yung number pa.
Dapat nag-prepare kayo.
Number 3. At ang number 4.
Pre,
So ito na po mga ating mga contestant. Ready na sila. Si contestant number 1. Contestant number 2 and number 3. At contestant number 4. Contestant ka rin ba?
Dapat nanalo sa 50-50.
Ay, ikaw na ba?
200 lang.
Who become ladies tonight? In every party there's always this what we call Miss Gay. But tonight is different. This Miss Gay 2024 is what we call the Miss Elf. So let's give them a round of applause. Contestant number 1.
Si Rodel. Rodel sa umaga, Marites sa gabi. Kung wala kang ulam, PM mo lang ako. Thank you.
Whoa! Rodel! Contestant number 1, stay up on the stage here, my friend. Miss Elf number 2. Come up stage.
Jerry ka sa umaga. Sorry, Jerry ka sa umaga, Jerry ka sa gabi.
Contestant number 3 from PMH. Give her applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Arbis Umaga, Stephanie sa gabi, representing CMA.
Wow, that makes me chill all night.
They will have a...
They will compete themselves who will be the sexiest elf of the night. And with that said though, are you guys, or should I say, ladies, are you ready?
They're ready to show off their dance talent, okay? And you know what? The judge for this evening will be you guys, okay? So later, after they perform, after the showdown, we have to call each one of them, and the loudest clap and the loudest one will be the winner, okay? Yeah. But everybody, for sure, will get a prize. But we have a grand prize of house and lot for this. So make sure you support your contestant, okay? Okay, are you ready to show down?
Are you ready, Miss Elf?
Okay.
not too sure if the guys are, you know, blinking, but I'm for sure the ladies are watering right now. I don't think we're doing a Miss Elf here, but we're doing Mr. Gay here. Please be reminded. Sorry, censored for all the kids out there. Sorry, guys. Next time.
Okay, this is just for fun. Does everybody have fun? Woo! Okay, as we call each contestant, we want you to support them, okay? Whoever contestant that you support, loudest shout, loudest clap, please, okay? Okay.
So you're the judges here, okay?
Okay.
So may we call on Miss Elf number 1 to come up here.
Okay, everybody, contestant number 1.
Very good, very good. That's acceptable, acceptable. Now,
show off, Elf, okay?
Miss Elf number 2, come on. Right.
You gotta show us that you're the right elf for tonight.
And now, Miss Elf number 3. Very biased. Lots of PMH. Lots of PMH here. Biased. Now, from the land of Ethelbert, give up for Miss Elf number 4. That's loud. That's loud as well. This is hard. This is so hard.
Oh, that's so hard.
So,
okay, what are we gonna do again? Of course, we call elf number 3 and elf number 4, and then we'll see who's gonna win. Okay?
They're gonna have a showdown again, but before that, showdown. But before that,
okay. Okay. Before that, we want them to exit for now, and then we'll do 2 auctions, and then the 2 remaining contestants
will prepare themselves for their presentation.
Okay? Thank you so much, contestant number 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Of course, don't worry, guys. We'll give you a consolation prize.
We'll have a consolation prize. Contestant number 5 package from Walwabuhay Merchandise. Thank you to all our sponsors. Next winner is number 693480. 693480. What happened to my family? We're not winning. Guys! Okay, Arnel is the winner. 693480. Congratulations, Arnel. From Ethelbert. Wow, Ethelbert, ha? Ano na? Okay, last one. Okay, ticket number 693425. Ibigay nyo nga yung ticket nyo sa akin. 693425. Oh, JR! Wow! Wow! Jopan! Congratulations! Okay. Thank you, JR. Okay. Arsena's family, thank you so much. May I request Carmel to please draw the winner for that? Okay, the winner for our air fryer. I know a lot of people put on this one. 6, 9, 3, 4, 2, 1. Wala pa rin sa inyo? 6, 9, 3, 4, 2, 1. Wow! Can we check the ticket number, please? Air fryer. Thank you, sis. Congratulations, Lusul family. Not a sack of rice tonight, but ticket number 693505. 693505.
The first president of the PFA, Lolo Beltran. Family, parents, please let them know who's the first president.
Okay.
Come up stage and bring Lolo Beltran. Lolo Beltran will decide which one will came first.
Okay, that one. Okay,
Come up here, Chini. Come up stage. Congratulations. Well-deserved win. The next one, I'm sorry to my kids. No parents for you tonight.
Lexa has 25 cents. Woo-hoo! Congratulations, Lexa. Here we go.
Thank you for the $100, Mr. Francis. I'll give you a Robux.
Okay. Actually, we asked for the $100 because that will be our prize for our contest tonight. Thank you so much for donating, Austin. Thank you so much. You're awesome.
The next one, I'm very sorry to all the grandpas and grandparents out there, grandmas. Bring me the last Roblox card. Bring me the white hair. Parents, you can help. Parents, you can help. You buy your Roblox.
Tito owes you a prize, okay? Watch out, watch out.
Thank you, kids, for participating. I hope you enjoyed the game, except for your parents. Now let's come here, Miss Elf number 3. Oh, look at that. Give her a round of applause.
Now, let's watch to show his talent. Our elf number 4. Come on now.
Hold on.
Ice cream daddy. Ice cream good.
Oh my goodness.
Judges, all
The
of
talents, I tell ya. Now, Miss Elf number 3, give it up.
Okay.
Close, close. Now, Miss Elf number 4, give it up. I guess we have a winner.
Yes.
I guess we have a winner. Miss Elf number 4, come up here. So you don't want to give a message to the guys, to the judges here? Just a little bit of, you know.
Thank you so much, guys. I try my best to make you happy tonight. But that's all that I got. Thank you, thank you.
Again, elf number 4. Okay, we got a winner. Congratulations, elf number 4, and congratulations also elf number 3. So we have our cash prize for you guys. Thank you so much. Bahay na kapitbahay sa partner mo. Sa partner mo. Bahay na kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Okay? Okay. So again, just a trial. Okay. Para makita ang lahat. No. You move here. Bahay, bintana, pintuan. Okay? You move here. Window, so makita nila lahat. Ito. Dito kayo, dito kayo. Dito din kayo. Okay na kayo dyan. Okay na kayo dyan. Okay? Just a trial. Okay, trial. Ikaw mag-judge, Manny, ha? Tulungan mo ako mag-judge. Okay, trial muna. Malapit sa isa't isa. Kasi pag ang kapitbahay, mamaya malapit. Okay. Siyempre, malapit ang kapitbahay. Bahay ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Hoy, saan ang pintuan ni Mama? Andito. Bintana ni Mama, andito. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Okay? Okay. So we're ready. Ready? Medyo mabilis to, ha? Sakit na ng paa ko. Okay, ready? Bintana ni Mama. Bintana ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Ialis ang kamay naman. Dapat, every sabi ko ng pintuan, ganyan. Pintuan. Pintuan. Okay? Ready? Dapat buksan din ang pintuan para makapasok ang kapitbahay. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ng kapitbahay. Bahay ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bintana ni Mama. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Ano ba yan? Bilisan. Again. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ni Mama. Parang panalo sila lahat, ah. Ano ba yan? Bakit pinasali pa to? Okay. Kapitbahay naman. Ako tuloy ang hindi nanalo. Ang bilis nyo. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bahay ng bahay. Bahay ng Mama. Bahay ng Mama. You're out. Bahay ng Mama is dito. No, wait, kanina pa tayo nag-trial. Di mo ba? Wala pa, uy, trial pa lang yun. Tayo nag-trial, di mo ba? Pauwi na nga tayo, di mo ba? Nag-trial ka pa? Okay. Okay, you move forward here so we can see everybody. Move forward. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ready? Start. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Kapitbahay ni Mama.
Kapitbahay ni Mama.
Ang hirap naman ng laro nito. Bakit mo kasi pinahirapan ang sarili ko? Okay, again.
So let's stop first on. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Father Christopher Dubois. Can you please give him a round of applause? Stand up, Father. There you go. Thank you so much for coming, Father. Go grab some food and some desserts as well.
Okay, continue. Pag hindi matapos to, hanggang bukas tayo dito. Okay, bahay ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bintana ni Mama. Bintana ni Mama. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Dapat mabilis. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Bahay ni Mama. Bintana ni Mama. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana. Out, girls. Okay, 2 more left. Okay, the final one. Pag nanalo kayong dalawang group, talo ako. Panalo kayo. Okay, ready? Bahay ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bintana ni Mama. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Pintuan ni Mama. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Pintuan ng kapitbahay. Ulo ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bahay ni Mama. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Okay, panalo ng dalawang group. Tapos na. So hindi hanggang bukas tayo dito. Congratulations. Get your prizes over there. What's next? Sino ba?
Victor.
Jopay, Jet. Take your husbands with you and your wives. Griffin. JR. Griffin, JR. Come up here. It's just a game.
Officer game.
Okay, ready na? Okay. Sample muna, okay? Me and Manny will do this. And then, watch out guys, okay?
Anong ginagawa mo?
Naglalaba, ikaw.
Nag-aapati-pati, iikam.
Hindi ko na alam. Like, for example, one person, yung isang tao, one person will do an action, tapos sasabihin mo, what are you doing? Like, naglalaba ako. And then he said, ikaw.
Nagsasayaw.
Sasayaw. Ako, na mamalansya. Ikaw.
Naglalaro ng macho, ikaw.
Hindi ko na alam. Ikaw.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the
Ito.
Ano mo na?
Ito, nagpapatay ko ng itlog, ikaw.
That is right. So both of you have the same action, but you have to think of something out of that action, similar to the action. So like for example, sabi niya, nagbabati ng itlog. Ikaw, ano? Naglalaro ng yoyo. Oh, ikaw, ano? Right?
Ito, nagbubulahu po ko, ikaw.
Napaplancha.
Ito, isa ito, ano ko, nilayuban ko, ikaw.
Nabi-make.
plato, ikaw. Ito, nabuhula ako sa kasaysayan ng mundo, ikaw. Ito, nagkatip ng calculus, ikaw.
Nagbabasa.
Ito, minay-makeup ako yung misis ko, ikaw.
Hindi ko na alam.
Kahit anong action, no?
Hindi pare sila ng action. Tapos mag-iisip sila ng kung ano dapat ginagawa.
Ito, nasa peryahan ako, sumasayo, ikaw. Ito, nag-sex, ikaw. Ito, background na, ikaw. Ito, nagpapaganda, ikaw.
Wala na.
Ito, nagkaahit ng kilikila, ikaw. Ito, nagsasabog ng safeguard sa kilikila, ikaw.
Nagpupunod ng sa kilikili.
Ito, nagpapaamoy ng kilikili sa misis ko, ikaw.
Nagpapabango. Papabango.
Ito, nag-brush.
Kaya mo nag-ibang, ikaw.
Ito, nagtanggalan ko niya.
Hindi ko na alam.
Okay, we have lots of consolation prizes also from McDonald's. Thank you, McDonald's, for your donation. So we will call at least 5 consolation prizes. Okay? So are we going to put the tickets back or no? Because this is just a consolation prize. Or can we do the consolation after the 3 big prizes? Yeah, we'll probably just do the consolation after. Okay, may I call on? We'll do the draw for this one. Tita Marilyn, please. Please do the honor to draw our second prize. Actually, our second prize is a barbecue grill. Our prizes are donated by the association itself. Oh my goodness! The winner is Marcos Luso! Marcos Luso! Congratulations! Wow!
Second.
All I need is the snow blower, so I'm okay.
Enough with the rice. Now you got the grill.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay, this time, may I request Kuya Pao again to please come up because this is our grand prize. Yeah, we do not have the prize on hand, but we have the order already. So our first prize is a snow blower.
We'll blame the...
Our first prize is worth more than $800. So thank you for the association for doing this very good prizes for our raffle draw.
Sana ako manalo. Kasi wala kang snow blower. Puro pala lang.
No time for shoveling anymore. You have your snow
Isang buwan na
blower.
akong walang trabaho sa post office. Walang nagpapakain sa akin, kawawa na.
Okay.
Okay, and the lucky winner goes to...
Dun, 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 dun. Isa lang yan?
Ano ba yan? Itong taon to, wala pang bahay. So, paano to, ibigay?
Ibibenta, snowblower.
Okay, sabi niyo, siya ay nagtatrabaho somewhere sa ospital. Tapos kumanta siya kanina. So, the lucky person is Shari Lapisa.
Congratulations, Charlotte.
Bukas, you have to buy a house.
They need to buy a house so they can use their snowblower. Here. Albert, come up here. We will announce if she's going to sell it for a lower price and we'll let you know, okay? Thank you, everyone. Now we will do, our chance now is for the consolation prizes, okay? So we'll do 5 winners as of now.
From McDonald's,
Sarah Fabel from McDonald's. Sarah, are you here? Sarah Fabel? Oh, there was, okay.
Kaya ko na yan.
Second one.
Bigla na tsaka kape.
Robin Slaworski. Robin Slaworski. Karen Portal. Congratulations, Karen. Karen Portal. Okay, next. Timothy Bagay. Timothy Bagay, are you here?
next one is Francis Eating. Francis. Next one is John Oliquillo.
Francis Eating. What's the name? Emma Galician? Who's Emma Galician? This one. Okay, Emma Galician.
Next one.
Ernesto. Okay, and can we call on Father Christopher to come up on stage? You have your gift certificate also from McDonald's. Father Christopher, please come up on stage. Mian Perdido. Mian.
Wala siya.
Ripagorda. Ito, tapos na ang birthday sip.